Okay, decided to do a 31 fuse pull on Mr. Wilson's car. Check out the dyno, and if I'm lucky, he might punch it. We gotta wait a minute. We're on the bad part of the freeway. So, anyways, you also did a throttle adjustment.
Throttle recalibrate.
Throttle recalibrate. And how you do that is when you get into your vehicle, just put your ACC, is that what it is? Just put in that mode, your button, put it in that mode. Do not start your vehicle. And you, when it's in that mode, if you gradually push down on the your accelerator gently to the floor, and then you release it gently to normal, and then you do it a second time in the same procedure. After that, you can go ahead and start your car, and that recalibrates your throttle. Sorry, loss of words. I'm like looking at the beauty out there and checking out what Mr. Wilson's doing here. It sounds good. But you can see the beautiful Sierra Nevada mountains. And unfortunately, we do have a crack in this badass Scat Pack. You got the 6.4 2020. Black is a bad color to get, but I think that once we get it detailed and put that clear coat on it, it should be great. It's just not the best color as far as the dirty ground that we live in, as far as the highways and such. It shows everything. Anyway, Sierra Nevada Mountains, you're here live with Ski and Nina, and Nina Ski's vlogs. Subscribe on YouTube.